Cristie Software offers system recovery for a range of legacy operating systems, providing our customers that require extended lifecycle support with a disaster recovery solution they can rely on. Many industries employ applications that are dependent on legacy operating systems for compatibility. These systems, while operationally critical, were often designed without consideration for modern cyber threats. Therefore, a robust system recovery solution is vital to ensure operational resilience following any attack or disaster scenario. Our support for legacy Microsoft operating systems includes Windows 7 Desktop and Windows Server 2008 R2 Enterprise platforms. We provide support for Microsoft's virtualization platform Hyper-V from 2012 and all editions of Microsoft Azure plus Microsoft Azure Stack HCI. We provide system recovery for Red Hat Linux platforms, with support extending back to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5. We also offer support for early editions of many popular Linux distributions. Contact us for details of our full compatibility matrix. For all platforms, we provide physical system recovery automation, which can eliminate time-consuming manual intervention and automate the recovery of large-scale server installations. Visit the Cristie Software website for more information on the full range of operating systems that can be protected by our bare metal recovery solutions. You can also request a free trial license to evaluate our software at any time. Contact the Cristie Software team for any questions regarding legacy operating system recovery or replication.